Fight against a sedentary lifestyle with the SF-E3872 Magnetic Underdesk Elliptical. Prevent slippage and keep up your momentum safely with the non-slip foot pedals that accommodate a variety of shoe types and foot sizes. Adjust through 8 levels of belt drive magnetic resistance to accomplish a wide variety of exercise intensities. Increase blood circulation, joint range of motion, and improve lower body muscular endurance while enjoying a very low-impact workout experience. The centrally located monitor tracks your speed, time, calories, and distance as you move smoothly with the integrated wheel and track system. The compact design will enable users to perform their workouts under most desks or while they recline on a chair or couch. Place your peddler exerciser throughout your living space or move it from office to home with the conveniently centered carrying handlebar. Stride towards your health and fitness goals with the SF-E3872 Magnetic Underdesk Elliptical Peddler Exerciser by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Hey, my name is Jenny, and this is the Men's Health Women's Health Bluetooth Stepper with adjustable bands. It's perfect for tight spaces and a great cardio workout from head to toe. This machine provides a stepping motion rather than a swivel motion that you'd find on other machines. This helps you to minimize any impact on those knees and gives you extra calorie burn because of the greater range of motion. To increase the intensity of your workout, you can adjust the step height up to 10 inches. So it has 3 locking step heights to convert it into a stable step-up platform, so you can do step-ups, planks, or any other exercise. These resistance bands are adjustable, which means you can get a great upper body workout while tackling your lower body and core. You also have access to the MyCloud Fitness app where you can keep track of your progress. You'll find me, along with many other coaches, to help train and motivate you every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
Now, Human Touch brings you the Reflex 5S Foot and Calf Massager. Unlike other foot massagers which can feel rough, uncomfortable, or artificial, the Reflex 5S perfectly blends Human Touch's state-of-the-art circulation and figure-8 technologies to deliver a lifelike, one-of-a-kind massage experience. The Reflex 5S's exclusive wraparound figure-8 technology works by massaging the calves in an upward wave-like motion, caressing sore muscles and rejuvenating tired feet by forcing blood away from the feet and toward the core of the body. This motion improves circulation, reduces swelling, and helps relieve soreness and fatigue in the body. At the same time, the Reflex 5S harnesses the ancient and holistic healing power of underfoot reflexology to relieve stress, decrease pain, and improve general health and equilibrium. The Reflex 5S features extended height for maximum massage coverage, an onboard control system for complete control of your massage experience, and removable, washable, easy sleeves to ensure that you have a clean, fresh massage experience every time. To further customize your massage, you can not only adjust the tilt of the Reflex 5S to find your most comfortable angle while on your couch or in your favorite chair, but you can also select from 2 massage motions. You can choose to either massage on alternating sides or on both legs at once, finding ultimate relaxation and pain relief no matter your personal preferences. The Reflex 5S by Human Touch. Balanced rejuvenation. Learn more at www.humantouch.com.